Jack here, and I've got with me the CJRB Riff with AR RPM9 steel, offering high corrosion resistance and exceptional edge retention. It also features a G10 handle. Let's open it up, show you what you get in the box, walk you through some of the things I might use this knife for, and talk about why I think it's a solid option. Now, full disclosure, this was sent to me for free for this video, but as always, that won't change anything that I say. Inside the package, you get this really nice nylon carrying case. We'll go ahead and zip that open, and inside is your knife. Now, first time you get it, it is going to be inside some plastic, so you'll just want to go ahead and remove it and discard that plastic, as you won't be needing it anymore. The inside of this nylon case is super plush and furry and smooth. It's not going to scratch anything, and there's room to store more than just your knife. So let's go ahead and put the packaging aside, and you're getting your first look here at the CJRB Riff. Really solid design. Loving that AR RPM9 steel and the black G10 panels. On the other side, you've got a silver carrying clip, which is reversible from both sides. Currently, it is a bit of a deep carry clip, which I really like, and the orientation is point upward. Now, there's two different ways to open up this knife, which I think is really cool. So there's the flipper, which is this little pin right here. If you just push that, it flicks right open nice and easy. Now, to close it, you're gonna have to use the button. I'm gonna talk about that in just a second, but the other way to open it is to actually press that button and just kind of flick your wrist like so, and it opens right up. Now, because it is button lock, that button is the only way to close the knife. You're just gonna press it in and the blade will drop, but to do it properly, you just kind of got to give it a little bit of a flick, and it closes very nicely. Now, there's no spring assist or anything in this knife. When you press the button, the blade just kind of falls out and can wiggle freely. So flicking your wrist is an important part of the process to open this knife. But I think it's a super stylish knife. It's a super practical knife, very sharp and smooth to use. It's a lot of fun, honestly, to open and close, and I think it's really easy to use. Now, because that edge is so sharp, it's very great at cutting paper, which is a really great test of your blade. You can see just how easily it's cutting right through that paper. But there's other things you might use this knife for. For example, I've got some 550 paracord here. You can see just how easy it is to cut the paracord. 1 and 2. Super quick and easy, very nice, especially if you like being outdoors or camping. And if that's not your vibe and you just like eating some fruit, check out how easy it is to cut through the fruit. And you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost like a kitchen knife, super sharp, easy, and delicious. You're just gonna wanna wipe that off nice and careful. But all things considered, if you're a hunter, if you like camping, if you're just an outdoor person, or you just enjoy using a solid knife, I think this CJRB Riff is a really solid option. I'm happy with mine, and I hope this video helped your purchase decision. Thank you so much for watching.